So we came back to a house where we started install a new system. Man, they stuck it in our line set, man. It didn't go. This thing, I guess, I don't know what the fuck. This thing was like 5 inches in. I mean, wow. It was still more like. So we have less to play with now. Shit.
Crazy.
It was, well, this one used to have a system, but we put everything brand new, even the ducts, because it was like a house. Man, you could tell they like to drink, huh? Let me go show you the inside. Little Bambino. Where you going, little Dalmatian? Man, check this little car out. So we're cleaning up as much as possible. Right here, a cement pad. When the stock wood, they had like stock wood coming all the way over, like over here. And here we have the almighty Goodman, the American Pride. The what else?
Shipman.
Nah, don't talk about shipment like that. I mean Goodman.
This is GMC.
Oh, let me see, move. Ooh.
Goodman Corporation.
I don't know if you guys ever seen those. Let me see. Take it out. Unveil it. Just push it up. Boom. Another Goodman, just tan color. Goodman back at it again with their tan color. I actually like this color, it's pretty nice. Okay guys, so I don't know how else to put it, but Goodman fucked us, and they fucked us pretty good, man. So we thought it was a TXV, so we swapped it with the piston. We had the same results. We had a very high head pressure and a very low suction pressure. So we thought, we checked the filter dryer, like the temperature across it, thinking maybe we had a restriction there, but no. We pumped down the system again. We flushed the lines, making sure there's no restriction on the lines, which was good. We had good flow from the high side going to the low side. So then we even hammered the compressor, thinking it was stuck or something. And our last result, we said, fuck it, let's go ahead and recover the refrigerant. So we did. So we vacuumed it, like triple evacuation, and then we charged it up, and man, it's running like a champ now. So we got a 14 superheat, because we left the piston in there. It's a 13 series units, and it worked fine. But what was wrong, we had air in the system. I'm guessing they didn't vacuum the system, the condenser, and they just charged it up to the 64 ounces they say that they charged with through factory. Man, what a hassle, man. We've been added a 521 kickstart. So if you guys get a Goodman, this is a GMC, but I mean it's the same thing as a Goodman. It's just like the off-brand, I guess. Same bullshit. They just added that hoopty ass freaking sticker and the tan color paint. But that's it. So if you guys get a Goodman condenser, make sure you don't have no air in the system. Like if your head pressure is so high and your suction pressure is so low, and you and we had a charge as well, and the suction just kept, I mean the head pressure kept rising, and our low pressure was rising too, but I mean it was like not correct. So that's a sign of air in the system. So let me know if you guys have the same issue with these units. And I've had one too, but on a package unit, and another Goodman condenser. But I mean, that was a while ago. I didn't think it was gonna happen again, but you never expect the unexpected. All right, just let me know. Okay, so we have it all leveled out, as you can see, on all 4 sides. Put them on waffles. So now we're gonna get started on the line set. Alright guys, it's been a hassle, man. Our lock messed up, so we had to get it drilled out and they ordered the new part. But this is where we have our torches, which is what we need to finish the job right now. And then after that, we ran out of freaking solder sticks. So we're here at US Air to get some solder sticks. Oh man. So they just drilled the lock. Okay, so we're about to do the startup on this condenser. So we have a TXV on this one. This is a 3-ton. We'll show you right now the inside. Oh, that's our disconnect, and we actually have the thermostat wire coming in with the high voltage, and then it goes back into there. So we'll let it stabilize, and then we'll check our subcooling. Okay guys, so we're having some issues with the TXV. What's happening? It's making our evaporator go low and our head pressure go high, and our subcooling, you see how high it is. We already tried like warming up the sensing bowl, tapping the TXV and everything. So what we're probably gonna end up doing is just swapping it out with the piston the condenser came with. This is a 13 SEER unit, so it should be fine. And hopefully that will solve the problem, because we gotta get this going. We got other service costs to do, so we'll show you. Okay guys, so we took our TXV out and we're flushing we're just shooting some 410A through the low and the high side, just in case we have anything stuck up in there, which is we didn't. It's clean. So we're gonna install our piston, which I'll show you guys right now. Okay, here's our TXV. Just the pan there, and it's clean here. My TXV was clean too, just bad. So we're gonna slap this.
The what?
So we're gonna slap the piston. Right there. That's it. And then you hook these up together. Jump. Put a core valve back in there and put a cap. That's it. Okay guys, so we're vacuuming the system again. And hopefully we're good this time. Okay guys, this is the final product. Pretty nice, just that issue we had, which I'm getting tired of. Okay guys, so we're here at another service. Carrier. What ton is this? Oh, this is a 3-ton. 3-ton. So we're gonna do a inspection, as in like check the wiring, and you know the basic stuff. Oscar already got the motor. This motor seems like it's been overheating. I don't know, just rusty as well. And I just bought the boss bought us a set. This is like my 4th set. It's either you break something or you lose something. Hey, we got Oscar wash. Look at all the dirt. Check it out. So all that dirt doesn't let the heat transfer to the coils how it has to. So that's how you lose efficiency. That's how your system runs longer and hotter. Look at all that. So they used to have a cooler right here. As you can see, the roof is all fucked up. There's the water from the old cooler. Alright all blur. I mean, it's all the data thing, the info. It's all blurry. Yeah, it's all faded out. So right here on the compressor, you see how it says this right. And we're good. We got 4.8, which is good.
It's in range.
Yeah, it's in range. This is from Carrier. Pretty good.
They're back now.
Except the panel. I hate the fucking panel. We had to rinse everything off. And it's okay, our coil wasn't that dirty. Well, kind of, but
You don't need unions.
here we are on top of a donut shop. We're gonna service this old ass ream. Yeah. Have all the bits, look. Shit. Whoa. I think my brother replaced the compressor on this one. It's reciprocating 3.5 ton. So maintenance turned into no cooling real quick. So we have we turned it on from the thermostat, but it's not kicking on. So Oscar's checking, and we have 24 volts to red. Or we got nothing. Check it. We have power right here. So we have we don't have no power, so we're gonna check the fuses, or maybe we'll have a trip breaker or something. Okay, so we're checking the incoming power from the breaker box, and we got nothing. We got 0. So our breaker is gonna be tripped, but we gotta know. We gotta find out why. Yeah, we'll check it with the subcool. Okay, guys. So we checked each leg, and we're good. So we're not grounded anywhere, so maybe they just accidentally turned the breaker off. So we're gonna go ahead and turn the breaker on and check everything else. Yeah, go down there and then turn it on. Ream, man. When they were green and they turned pink. We got this cooler right here. We got that cooler and that cooler. Huh. These are dryer vents. These are for the, I'm guessing this is a dryer. There's a dryer room right there or something. But they're making donuts and they don't have the exhaust fan on. Must be fucking hot in there or something. Because they don't have the cooler on, the makeup air, or the exhaust on. So that's not a good sign there. So we're just waiting on Oscar. Oh yeah, you see all the fuck, all the lint. Check it out. So those are definitely dryers, and these are. There you go, guys. It kicked on. So we had a trip breaker. Not trip, but I mean, I'm guessing they shut it off because everything checked out with the subcool, and I trust that little guy right here. So we're gonna check our amp draw, our pressures, our everything else. So I think these flue pipes, these exhaust fans, are too close to our unit. Because you can actually feel the heat being pulled in through here from the vents. And our head pressure is through the roof, and it's like really 80 degrees out. So that's something to note right there. Okay, so we popped her open to check the evap and just a little quick inspection. Our evap is not that bad.
I'm gonna go with the
Yeah, bring the spray. It's not that bad. Just a couple like big pieces like these from the insulation of the unit. But it's alright. That wouldn't affect that much. I mean, it would affect it. Check it out. Clean coil. We have a new motor too. And our heat exchangers are pretty good too. Alright guys, so we're done for the day. Started raining. We just finished with the donut shop. They hooked up some donuts. But man, today was like a snowball effect, man. Just got things off one at a time. But that's what we're here for, to fix shit. So we got everything running. Now it's time to go rest. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.